Now the cafe coronary. Cafe coronary is a condition of accidental choking where a bolus of food produces complete obstruction of the larynx. As this happens usually in cafe and it looks like a coronary attack or heart attack, that's why it is called as cafe coronary, whereas this is a choking. The victim of such accident slump over the dining table and with little or no cry. He cannot utter a word, he cannot call for help, just mimic on the table, and everyone thinks that he has suffered from heart attack. So it is because of this it mimics a heart attack. It occurs commonly when the gag reflex is suppressed, like in alcoholics and intoxicated individuals. And death is due to reflex cardiac arrest consequent upon the stimulation of laryngeal nerve. The autopsy will reveal a bolus of food which is impacted in the larynx. This was an case where the bolus of